What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see, on the left side will be the picture of the very lively amusement park, and a lot of people came into this amusement park. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be totally transformed into this abandoned and haunted amusement park, and you will see the creeping or the vines all over. How to create this transformation? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I was using before was the Nano banana here, and I'm accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to use another platform or another AI, and it is very okay, and here I will also share you the prompt to create this photo transformation, guys. And if you'd like to use this Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email to get this access. Try this Nano banana, and you can continue to click here. And after that, you can start to upload the picture of your favorite amusement park. For example, this one. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section, and you can start to give this prompt the screenshot, or you can simply copy it from the description box. Basically, the prompt will be like this: transform this image of a bright and vibrant amusement park into the abandoned, haunted, and deeply gloomy theme park. And also the colorful light should be off or flickering dimly. And also the bright sunset replaced here with the dark, overcast, and twilight sky. And also the rides, especially the ferris wheel and the roller coaster, should be appear rusty and also dilapidated and overgrown with the vines, this one, and decay. And the crowd of people should be replaced with an eerie silence, perhaps with the addition of the subtle, shadowy, or the spectral figures like this lurking in the distance. And overall atmosphere should be one of the deep decay, melancholy, and the unsettling stillness of a forgotten, haunted place, something like this, guys. So you can start to click run and kindly wait for the result. And basically this is the same prompt that I used before. However, you can also have the different look, and you can start to check it out whenever the picture is already updated over here. And if you would like to have another picture, as you can see, because still the people still over here, you can start to generate it by clicking this one or this one. For example, I will click this and kindly wait for the another result. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.